we have the function f of x is equal to 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. We are to A, find f of d, B, find f of c plus d, and C, find f of cd plus f of d over c. Let us first start with A. F of d is equal to 3 times d, since we are plugging in the value of x into the equation, squared plus 2, and let us plug it in again, d minus 1. By PEMDAS rule, we shall first start with the exponent. D times d is equal to d squared plus 2 times d is 2d minus 1. Therefore, f of d is 3d squared plus 2d minus 1. Now let us proceed to letter B. F of c plus d. Again, let us plug it into the equation. We have 3 multiplied by c plus d raised to 2 plus 2 times c plus d minus 1. Now, we know in algebra that if we are expanding a plus b, it's just the same as a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Now let us plug it in. Our c is a and our d is b. Now, our a squared here is c squared, right? C squared, and our 2ab here is 2 times cd plus d squared plus 2 times c is 2c, 2 times d is 2d minus 1. Now let us distribute 3 into this equation. 3 times c squared is 3c squared, and 3 times 2cd is 6cd, and 3 times d squared is 3d squared plus 2c plus 2d minus 1. Now, we don't see any like terms in this equation. Therefore, f of c plus d is 3c squared plus 6cd plus 3d squared plus 2c plus 2d minus 1. And if we are going to arrange that in the order of exponents, we'll have 3c squared plus 3d squared plus 6cd plus 2c plus 2d minus 1. That is our answer. Now we shall move on to C, in which we have f of cd plus f of d. Now we are aware of the value of f of cd is this one, and the value of f of d is this one. Now let's input it. It's kind of a very long equation. F of C plus D plus right, plus F of D over C. Our F of C plus D is 3C squared plus 3D squared plus 6D plus 2C plus 2D minus 1 plus our D is 3D squared plus 2D minus 1. 3D squared plus 2D minus 1 over C. Now let us add up like terms. Do we have another C squared in this equation? No, we don't, right? Therefore, we cannot add that. 3C squared stays the same. And we'll add 3D with 3D squared with 3D squared. Then we'll have 6D squared plus 6CD plus 2C, and we have another like terms here, 2D and 2D, which is equal to 4D, and another like term here, -1 and -1, which is equal to -2 over C. Now to find our answer, we shall divide everything by C. 3C squared divided by C is just 3C plus 6D squared divided by C is 6D squared over C plus 6CD divided by C is 6D. 2C divided by C is 2. 4D divided by C is 4D over C, and -2 divided by C is -2 over C. And that is our answer.